Today, we're diving into 100 common sentences used in daily life for arguments. Let's practice your English, okay? You repeat after me, every sentence. Are you ready? Let's go. I respectfully disagree. I see your point, but. Let's agree to disagree. Can we discuss this calmly? I understand where you're coming from, but I need you to listen to my perspective. Let's find a compromise. Let's try to see things from each other's perspectives. That's not entirely accurate. I'm not comfortable with that idea. Can we take a step back and reassess? I feel like we're not on the same page. Let's go out for dinner tonight, shall we? I'll take care of the dishes after dinner. Could you hold on a moment? I'll be right back. Thank you so much for your help. I'm looking forward to our vacation next month. It's getting chilly. Don't forget your jacket. I need to make a grocery list for this week. What do you feel like doing this evening? I'm really craving some pizza right now. Please let me know if you need anything else. Could you turn down the volume a bit, please? Let's catch up over coffee sometime. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt. What's your opinion on this matter? I need to get some new shoes. Mine are worn out. Let's catch up over coffee sometime. Let's plan a picnic for the weekend. Would you like some more tea? Could you take a message for me? I'm so tired. I need a nap. Do you prefer tea or coffee in the morning? The traffic was terrible this morning. I'll be out of town next week for a business trip. Did you enjoy the concert last night? I have a dentist appointment tomorrow. Where did you buy those shoes? They look great. I've been practicing playing the guitar lately. Could you help me with my homework, please? I'll drop by your place after work. What time does the store close tonight? I'll be attending a conference next month. Could you recommend a good restaurant nearby? I'll email you the details by the end of the day. Let's plan a movie night at my house. Do you have any dietary restrictions? I'm excited about starting a new hobby. Would you mind helping me with this heavy box? Let's go for a walk in the park. I'll call you as soon as I'm done with this. Let's plan a day trip to the beach. Could you check the mail while you're outside? How's your new job going? I'll bring dessert for the dinner party. I'm so glad to see you after such a long time. Do you have any suggestions for a good book? I'll be free after PM today. I'm in the mood for some ice cream. Could you turn on the air conditioning, please? I'll need your input for this project. I'm looking forward to the upcoming concert. Could you remind me about the meeting tomorrow? I'll be visiting my family over the holidays. Let's organize a game night at my place. What's your favorite type of cuisine? Could you help me with my computer issue? Let's cook dinner together tonight. Do you prefer cats or dogs as pets? I'll be working from home next week. I'll need to reschedule our appointment. Let's go for a hike this weekend. I need to pick up some laundry detergent. What's your favorite TV show at the moment? I'll book the tickets for the concert. What's the best way to get to downtown from here? I'll be attending a wedding next month. I'll be hosting a barbecue on Saturday. Do you know where the nearest gas station is? I'll need your advice on this matter. I'm excited about the new restaurant opening. Could you double-check the schedule for me? Let's plan a day out at the amusement park. I'll be attending a yoga class this evening. Let's order takeout for dinner tonight. Could you help me with setting up the table?
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.